Greetings, wonderful audience. Amarjit here from Amar PTE classes. Again, I'm in front of you with my new video, and do subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. And in this video, I'm going to discuss the most important topic of the listening section as well as the writing section is the summarized spoken text. Yes, this is the most important question of listening as well as writing, and you will get 1 to 2 questions in the final exam, and it contribute total 25 points in PTE. Yes, it contribute 12 points in the writing section, and it will contribute 13 points in the listening section. So as you all know, you can follow the template in the summarized spoken text, but this is the trick how you will follow the template, because if we are using the keywords in the summarized spoken text and we are putting the keywords in the template, then you will not get score of the content, and you can also make some mistakes in the grammar as well as in the spellings. So in this video I'm going to discuss how you can easily attempt the summarized spoken text, how you have to pick up the phrases, how you can check your grammar mistakes and your spellings, because its marking criteria is based upon the content, then form, then spellings, grammar and vocabulary. Because content is of 2 points, and then after that grammar is of 2 points. If you are making one mistake of grammar, then you will get 1 out of 2, and if you are making 2 or more than 2 mistakes in grammar, then you will get 0 points. And it's same for the spellings. If you are making one spelling mistake, then you will get 1 point, and if you are making 2 spelling mistakes or more than 2 spelling mistakes, then you will get 0 points for the grammar. And form, what is form? Means you have to write within the word limits, like 50 to 70 words. If you are writing 49 words, then you will get 0 point for the form, and if you are writing 70 words, 71 words, sorry, then you will get again 0 points for the form. So if you are not satisfying the form, means if you are not writing within the word limits, then automatically you will get 0 point for that particular question. AI will first check your form, after that AI will evaluate your question. So remember these points while you are attempting the summarized spoken text. So in this video I will discuss the template and how you will use the phrases in the template and how you can check your grammar mistakes. So let's start. I am taking an example. So let's do one example. So I am taking example from the July prediction. So as you all can see,
I want today to talk about,
the medium, the level is defined here, medium or easy level. So you have to attempt the medium or easy levels. So let's do one example. This is the medium. These all are the medium examples. So I'm taking this one, history of English. So let's start. So first you have to listen the audio. Time period is 10 minutes and the word limit is 50 to 70 words. So the timing of the audio is also included in the 10 minutes. So attempt carefully. So first listen the audio, write down the phrases, then we will write it by using the template. So let's do this.
English, as you've already read, is not a pure...
So first you have select the random here, and speed is 1.2.
English, as you have already read, is not a pure language. I don't think there really are any pure languages in the world. But English is definitely not a pure language. English, in fact, has borrowed from over 350 languages in its history. So it's a variety of many languages. Some people say it's like a dog, a mongrel dog, a dog that has been made up of many different dogs. The English language is like that. By looking at the history of the English language, we learn about the history of the English people. The two things are closely connected. So, in fact, today we are not only learning about language, but we are learning about history. The fact that English has borrowed words from over 350 languages has been viewed differently throughout history. So for example in Shakespeare's time people were very angry about words which were not, they thought, original English words, words which came from other languages, they didn't like them.
So the duration of the audio is 52 seconds here, means it's less than 1 minute. So you have to manage accordingly कि if the audio is less than 1 minute or is audio of 30 seconds, 40 seconds, 50 seconds, then how you will note down the phrases. So do go through these challenges while you are preparing for the PTE. So let's start. So I'm using my template, then you can use your template also. So if I am taking here the first line, the speaker was discussing. So this is the line of my template. The speaker was discussing. Now the first phrase of mine is pure language. So proofreading is also very important in this task. Pure language in the world. So full stop here. Now pure is the noun, so you have to put the before the noun. So I am using here the pure language. So the pure language in the world is the phrase, but I am adding here the, because pure is the noun, because it's a name of something, then I am adding here the. So this is my grammar point. If I am making this mistake, then I will get 1 point in grammar. So this is the first line, this is the line of the template, and this is the line from the phrase. So then after full stop, give a space. Now my next line is firstly, then comma, give a space, he discussed. Now the speaker can be he or can be she, but you can always use he, because AI is not linked with ki speaker was male or female. So I am using here he discussed. Now next is English. So English, E should be capital in English. Remember this point. English is not a pure language. English is not a pure language. So this is the phrase, this is the line of the template, and this is the line of the phrase. So here it is pure. Now this is English, and I am writing the sentence here like English is not a pure language, means like in the present, but in the template I am saying firstly he discussed, means जो he discussed है वो हम past में बात कर रहे हैं कि ऐसा discuss हुआ, और English is not a pure language is the present form. So I am using here that. So this is my grammar point. Now full stop here, give a space, then secondly, comma, he highlighted. So this is the template, this is the line of the template. Now he highlighted, what he highlighted, 350. You can write the 350 in the numerical figures. आपको 350 इंग्लिश में और यू कैन से वर्ड्स में लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो 350 है, देन वी विल यूज़ लैंग्वेजेस, because 350 is the plural. 350 languages in the world. G is missing here. Languages in the world. So full stop here. Give a space. Then अब हमने यहाँ पे यूज़ करा the, because world is the नाउन, सो वी विल यूज़ द बिफोर द नाउन, क्योंकि मोस्टली जो बच्चों की मिस्टेक है वो यहीं पे होती है. नेक्स्ट इज इन एडिशन, कॉमा, ही मेंशन्ड. नेक्स्ट, दिस इज द टेम्पलेट, द हिस्ट्री ऑफ द इंग्लिश पीपल, ऑफ the, because English is a noun, capital होना चाहिए E, people. सो वर्ड यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले हो रहे हैं कि आपके कितने वर्ड्स हुए हैं, तो 38 वर्ड्स हुए हैं. सो फुल स्टॉप हेयर. नेक्स्ट, मोर ओवर, the lecture was all about English borrowed words from over 350 languages. So this is the 51. English borrowed words from over 350 languages. So spelling तो यहाँ पे correct है. अब हमारे पास यहाँ पे जो वर्ड्स हो रहे हैं वो 51 हो रहे हैं, तो बच्चे लास्ट में क्या करते हैं, वो लिखते हैं ओवरऑल द लेक्चर वॉज वेरी इंफॉर्मेटिव. सो ये लाइन लिखने की हमें ज़रूरत नहीं है. लेक्चर वॉज वेरी इंफॉर्मेटिव. So it's not necessary to write this line if you have the enough phrases, because if I am using this line then I have 57 words, but मेरे पास और भी keywords हैं. So सबसे पहले हमने क्या लिखा कि discuss that English is not a pure language. So this is the first line, this is the first line, this is the second line. Now in second line I am writing he highlighted 350 languages in the world. So मेरे पास एक और phrase पड़ा हुआ है, and two things are correctly connected. So I am adding here and two things are correctly connected. So I am using this phrase also. This is the next phrase, or I am adding this phrase in this line secondly. So again I have a one phrase, another one phrase, and people are very angry. I am adding here and people are very angry about words. So this is next line. Now I have words 70. So no, I'm not using this line. So proofreading, first you have to complete the task. Now remain 1 minute, less than 1 minute. So I will check the spellings. The speaker was discussing the pure language in the world. Firstly, he discussed that English is not a pure language. Secondly, he highlighted 350 languages in the world, and two things are correctly connected. In addition, he mentioned the history of the English people, and people are very angry about words. So here two full stops. Moreover, the lecture was all about English borrowed words from over 350 languages. So let's summate it. 64 words. So let's check the score. It will take some time. So this is the score. Now this is the first line. The speaker was discussing. So इसमें मैं आपको जो चीज़ बताना चाहती हूँ, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अब ये था आपका मार्किंग क्राइटेरिया. कंटेंट इज ऑफ 2 पॉइंट, फॉर्म इज 2 पॉइंट, ग्रामर 2 पॉइंट, स्पेलिंग देन वोकैबुलरी. सो इफ आई एम यूजिंग दिस, again I am using this Control C because we are doing some experiment, then redo it. Now
English, as you have already read, is not a pure.
Now if you are writing like this, because we got the template in the institute like this in the form of lines. Now this is the next line and this is the next line. Okay, Now here I am adding the because it was not mentioned in the speaker. So the आपको यहाँ पे use करना है. If you are not using the here, then you will get some grammatical mistake. Now again that, if you are not using that, then this sentence is in the past form and this sentence is in the present form. So link your sentences. If you are making two sentences, means in one line you are making two sentences, one is in the past form and one is in the present form, then contradict that two sentences by using that, because that जो है वो template में mention नहीं है. तो बच्चों का issue होता है कि why we are using that, because sometime the computer will give you the error of that. So I am using that here. Now I am using two phrases here and again two phrases here, and this is the last phrase. So let's submit it. Let's check what score we will get if we are using lines. So you will get 1 point in the form. So you have to remember, if you are giving the final exam, then you have to summarize spoken text. So you will not the summarize text in lines, you have to summarize the text in the paragraph. So always use the paragraph like first one. So अगर आप इस तरह से लिखते हो, then you will get 1 point in the form. So you have to write in the paragraph, don't use the lines for writing the summarized spoken text. So this is from my side, means how you have to attempt the summarized spoken text. This is the one example. So if you have any kind of doubts like कि what kind of phrases you can use, and any kind of doubts like in the listening section and in the reading section, then you can write in the comment box and you can mail me also. And do subscribe to my channel, share these videos with your friends, and for online and offline classes you can contact me. And thank you so much for watching this video.